Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So today I have a notebook nails. I was super excited to try these because I've always wanted to. I've been doing nails for so long and I've never tried notebook nails. So I thought that would be fun, and they came out so cute. Like, I really feel like it looks like notebook paper. So if you want to see how I made these, keep on watching. Those are the two colors that I'll be using. It's 2 coats of Pinky Promise and then 1 coat of Ciao Bella right on top. Okay, so one thing that has helped me with not only my French tips but also my art is to wipe off the tacky layer of the nails using an alcohol wipe and just making it more of like a matte, or just so it's not sticky. So that has helped me a lot because I was having trouble with Frenches for a long time. Like, I was at the point where I didn't even want to offer them because I was like, I don't know how to do them. So I struggled with Frenchies, I really did. And I actually have a video coming really soon if you do struggle with Frenchies, just so that I can like let you guys watch how I do classic, V-tips, side Frenchies, like all of those, and then just like how I like line my brush on the nail, because I truly feel like that has helped me so much. And if I just like line the brush correctly, the Frenchie is perfect. So yeah, that's basically how I draw my Frenchies. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch how I fill it in really quick. I usually just fill it in with the same Kiara Sky blank slate that I use to draw my smile line, and I'll fill it in really quick. And then I also do one more thing right when I'm done before I cure, so I'll show you guys that as well. Right here, I just wanted to show you guys that when I'm done filling it in, I always perfect the smile line one more time, just because when you're painting, it can move like a little bit or just get a little messed up sometimes. So I do like to redo it and like just perfect it the best that I can. And then I did notice that the Kiara Sky gels are like super thick, so I love them when it comes to art and French tips. Like, they're so pigmented as well, but I was having trouble getting my Frenchies to be like super smooth. So one day I tried to just do this, what I'm doing right here. I just grabbed any pure white polish that I had laying around and I put it right over, and it literally made it seamless. So if you struggle with thick polishes and you can't get your Frenchies to be super smooth, you can definitely try that. It's helped me so much. And then I just perfected again one more time with the liner brush. Okay, so now that we have our French tips done, we're gonna go in with the notebook paper. So I'm using this light blue called Freshwater by Igel Beauty, and then I'm gonna use my favorite red by Nail Gang 003. I will have them both linked down below in case you guys want them, but any light blue and like a deep red will work. So just get what you have if you're making them with me. And we're just gonna go ahead and put a drop on our palette and then get into the artwork. I'm not really going to talk much on the artwork. I'm just going to let you guys watch because I feel like with art it's kind of more like a visual thing, and I personally love to just like watch how people do it. So I got a really good angle of these and I was able to record the entire thing. The tic-tac-toe is so cute. The hearts and the X's were so cute for the X's and O's. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the remaining video. If you have any questions at all, definitely let me know and I got you guys. And then again, if I think of anything else that needs to be said or anything else that I do on here that I feel like I need to explain, then I definitely will. But for now, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the art. Okay, so as you can see, I tried my best to only do one line because I wanted them to be as thin as possible, but for the blue it was kind of hard to do, and then that red I was actually very happy with, so I just left it as is, and now we're gonna get into the tic-tac-toe. Okay, so we just used the Kiara Sky Pitch Black to do the tic-tac-toe, and for the pink X's, I'm using this color Carnation, and then for the red hearts, I'm just gonna use the Nail Gang color that I already had because I love that red and I want it all to go together. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. This was a challenge, I will tell you, because they were so tiny, and then I was actually like playing tic-tac-toe. Like, it was funny, but I was trying to just, I don't know, just play tic-tac-toe as well. So I was like thinking, where should I go next, and what would be at the final product, what would be like the cutest design. I don't know, I was just having fun with it though. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that. The X's were actually very easy, but the hearts were a little hard because they were so tiny, but you guys will see right here. Alright, you guys, that concludes the notebook nail. If you guys recreated these, definitely let me know down below. Was it easy for you? Did I explain things okay? Do you need anything like broken down anymore? Let me know, guys. I'm just here to help. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going in with a matte top coat, but I wanted to also show you guys what they would look like glossy. So I left it here for a minute just so you guys could see what they would look like if we did leave them glossy, which it's still really pretty, but I feel like the matte always brings out artwork. So if you are hand painting, I just feel like matte always works so good. It looks so good on there. So this is what they look like applied, and then I also did like a fun little cuticle oil, and I was just having fun with these, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have a couple more videos after this one just to show you guys in low lighting as well. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.